Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Python project in Replit using the latest interface. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. First, I'll open Replit. Now I'll click Create something new. Next, I'll click inside the prompt box. Here I'll type create a simple Python project named Hello Python. After that, I'll press Enter. Now, Replit AI starts creating my Python project automatically. As you can see, Replit is setting up the project for me. I don't need to install Python or configure anything manually. In a few moments, my Python project is ready. Now the project has been created successfully. From here, I can start writing Python code, create new files, edit my program, and build different Python applications. Replit makes it easy to learn programming because everything works directly in the browser. It's a great platform for beginners as well as experienced developers. And that's how you can create a Python project in Replit. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.